Hello everyone, right now I am create for today for verified pro version. This one for user, for admin, for address user verification, and then for select for this one user for pro version for address verified. So automatically show for user for already verified. See, this one for user not verified pro version show, but this one for show pro version, and just indicate. See, this one for user not pro version show, and this one user also pro version show, but this user is not verified, and this user also for verified is admin for address all information verified, and then for select for this one user for verified, and automatically all gig show for user verified. Okay, and then for I am click this on gig and details field, go for details space. C1 I am for this one for online for also for label, this one for label show label 1 for this one for label show, and this one for also for biofeed show, and for this one see pro version in verified, verified in অর্থাৎ is at least user already verified. So show for verified, and for not user verified, so I am for just click this one for go to details page, and then see it's not verified, then for it's not show. I hope you understand this one for short video. I hope understand. You can purchase this for script, link description below, and go to check out this script. I'll for install for fully support 1 year, and hope so like my video. You can interest this script, go to link description below, and link go to check out. Thank you so much.